Hey, I'm Jack Cook, and this is Data Mining for Sales Insight. My goal with this project was to find accounting firm rainmakers and disseminate what niches they operate into. And how I did this was I used a web traffic analyzer and I data mined for the results. I achieved my goals, but I think the data mine could be improved upon. So with this, I'm going to show you how to use a web traffic analyzer and how I set up my data mine and improvements that I think that you should make. So this is a web traffic analyzer. This is alexa.com, and I'm analyzing choseresnick.com. That's a large accounting firm. So choseresnick.com has 3,300 keywords that they have in that website. They also show me the site ranking and how much time a user spent. I can also drill down to the keywords. And I think the most useful is the small traffic that's converting on a large percentage basis. So this non-recourse to loan employees, it only controls 2.266% of the traffic, but it's converting at a 36% rate. And they're the second hit on google.com. So that might be an indication of what niche they are operating into. So this Peter Farley and Scott Hamilton are both only 0.25% on the traffic, but Peter has 11% and Scott has 23%. And that Scott Hamilton is a partner. They're both partners, but Scott Hamilton may be the rainmaker. So this is my data mine. What I found statistically relevant was keywords, not site ranking or time. So I took the revenue and how many keywords that website has, and I took keyword revenue, and then I found the average, and then I said keyword percent over or under. And Crow and Chose Resnick were converting at 47% and 39%. They had very interesting niches. However, what I found was Dixon Hughes and Anderson did not have niches. I thought that was very interesting. And Anderson is a offshoot of Arthur Anderson, and then maybe a legacy firm, and might be doing a lot of traditional accounting marketing, like shooting golf at the country club. So if you want to do this project, some of the recommendations I would make is that you would want to stratify your population, because the big four make so much more than everybody else that it may throw off your data. And I also think that you should make deviations. So one deviation, that's very strong data. 2 deviations you need to throw out. So when you're looking through these, it would expedite the process. I hope they found this helpful. Give me a like or a thumbs up, and give me any comments. Thanks, Jack.